If you are a 3PL working with apparel brands and you want them to trust your flow today, here's how to show you're ready. Put every key detail, fiber content, care instructions, and country of origin on camera before the product is sealed. Audits tends to stall when labels are hidden, missing, or unclear. You build trust when the camera clearly captures every mark that matters. Here's what it looks like. Start by scanning the ASIN. VAudit begins recording and tags the PO, SKU, style, size, and color. You lift the garment, hold the fiber label to the lens. Next, you show the care label. The wash symbols and the instructions are fully visible. Then, the brand ID or RN. You pause just long enough for everyone reviewing the footage to read it clearly. Then, for origin, pivot the inner tag towards the camera. The country of origin must be clear, with no glare, no finger blocking the view. Position the barcode away from the care and origin tags so nothing gets covered. Place the garment into the poly bag. Make sure the suffocation warning remains visible. If needed, add dunnage. Then, hold a top-down view that shows every piece is set. Once confirmed, you seal the bag, print the shipping label, and pause the final frame for 2 seconds. On client calls, you can respond with the frames. If they ask whether the origin is visible, pause on the tag. If they ask whether the CAD labels are hidden, show how the barcode sits clear. If they ask whether all set pieces were included, pause on the top-down confirmation. You can even search by ID live within 5 seconds. To make switching easy, offer an apparel proof pack. Film 3 styles: capture close-ups, top-down confirms, and the seal. Share a single page with 3 links. Others promise attention to detail. You provide proof. Here's what matters. VAudit helps you remove risk with visible, verifiable proof. You will see the fiber content, the care label, the country of origin, and the sealed package in the video. If that's the standard your brand partners expect, set up VAudit on one station today and run their SKUs tomorrow.